Hey all, welcome to my Abaton, where today we are addressing our neck PMS pain. Today I am here with Mr. Abaton, a shadow of your future self. And we got a request from a viewer, from Steve. We talked to Steve and he said, Mr. Abaton, I'm super old and stuff. I have neck pain when I wake up in the morning because I'm totally old dude and I have old man problems. Just kidding, he didn't say that. He's not that old. He is having some neck issues when he wakes up in the morning. And it's just kind of stiff neck. It's one of those things, you wake up, it hurts. You kind of have some problems with turning and moving your head a little bit. So we're going to address this and teach Steve how to address his neck pain, how to take care of this, and hopefully it's beneficial for you as well. Neck is a little bit tricky because you've got this big heavy weight sticking on top of it. You've got this 8-pound bowling ball essentially sticking on top of your toothpick neck, and it causes problems because you have these little muscles that are trying to hold that, and it's just a lot of work and a lot of force, and especially now with computers. We don't think about it, but we're sticking our head out here all the time, and you got this weight out here, and it's putting all this pressure and this weight, and then you go to bed at night and you wake up sore. Well, these muscles in your spine have been working really hard to try and keep your head on your neck. It'd be bad if it fell off. That'd be a bad situation. We want to get that neck back. So the number one exercise, and this should be done by everyone throughout your day, whether you have a good neck or bad neck, is what we call a cervical retraction or a cervical drawback. And all it is if we are sitting there at our desk or wherever we're at, all you're doing is you're pulling your head straight back and then you relax. And you pull this straight back and you relax. And you can see with Mr. Abaton here that his posture becomes very, very good. It pulls that neck right over. And all it is you're not rolling it back. You'll see his chin doesn't roll back, but it's just going straight back. Almost like somebody was sticking a smelly shoe up to your nose and you're drawing away from it. But pulling back until you feel pressure, stretch, or a slight discomfort, and then coming off of it. Now, if you have pain with this, you have to be a little careful, but you just pull back to the edge of pain, never through pain. Just do that about 10 to 15 times, and every couple hours, do that throughout your day until you're no longer having neck pain. But even after your neck pain is gone, it's still good to do this occasionally just to get that neck, keep it loosened up, and keep it healthy. Also, while you're laying down on your pillow, you can also add a little bit of a strengthening piece and do that retraction. You can do that into your pillow and pulling back into that pillow. So you get a little bit of a resistance. So you can do these exercises while you're laying down in your bed and just pull back and retract back into that pillow and give a nice resistance and strength piece to it as well. Just another option. So after we've done that, then we're going to turn this way and we're going to do a stretch for our poor little neck muscles. And what you're going to do with this is our computer chair. You can do it at a dining room chair, wherever, somewhere where you can hold on. You're going to hold on to your chair. So let's say this was Mr. Abaton's sore side, or both sides. It's good to do anyway. But he's sore on this side, so he is going to hang on to the chair with the side that's sore. He's going to lean away from that sore side. Now with his head, you can do a couple different ways. You can let the head drift away with your body, or even better, what I like better, is as you lean away, you tuck your chin to the opposite shoulder. And as you do that, you're going to get a stretch through your upper trap, which runs right up the neck and gives a nice pull through your cervical musculature, and especially the upper trap, which is a big problem for a lot of pain. But it'll pull right through the suboccipitals, up through the upper trap, and it's just a great stretch. And you can adjust your head position based on where you need to stretch. So maybe you can tuck your head a little bit to the side. You can tuck the chin down towards your chest a little bit more. There's just different positions you can maneuver this to get the stretch that you need. Anytime you stretch, you want to do at least 15 seconds, and you want to get over 30 seconds stretch time. So 15 seconds, 3 to 5 times is a great amount. And then again, you need to do this throughout the day. You can't get away with just once a day. Do it 3 to 5 times. And he's cured. Amazing. Oh no. But I always like to do things both sides because I think it's just good for keeping the body balanced. And so you get a good stretch that way. Oh, I was up there. It's so nice. Okay, last thing for Steve is your sleeping position. Now, a lot of people go through a billion different pillows to try and find a pillow that works for them. What I have found is I like a big pillow. The bigger the pillow, the better. In fact, this is a really big throw pillow that I use, but I even suggest and have had people use a dog bed. Huh? You know, those big pillows that dogs sleep on? Get one of those and use that as a pillow. So, because, I mean, you're talking a big pillow. And then you can put other pillows underneath it. But the idea with this is when you're sleeping, instead of having a bridge, if your pillow's here and your mattress is here, even if there's some support here, this neck is still a bridge between the heavy head and where your shoulders are in contact. There's going to be just force on a bridge. And so instead of having a little bit of a gap here, even if you're level, let's take away that pressure and we use a big pillow. And we use this big pillow and it will do a couple things. One, it will incline you while you're laying down, and so you don't get as much pressure on your head and neck, but also it supports you from your head all the way down through your shoulders. And so having a big pillow like this, I find oftentimes, especially with people who just have general soreness when they're waking up, oftentimes you get a little bit of an incline and you get this nice support from the head all the way through the shoulders. It will relieve a lot of the pressure and take away kind of this bridge effect that goes from the head to the shoulders. So this is a really nice option for people, and this can feel really, really good. You're waking up without having that pressure and sore neck in the morning. Okay, Steve, I hope that's helpful for you. Give those a whirl and let us know, for you, Steve, as well as anybody else who's having neck problems, let us know in the comments below what has been beneficial for you. Have you tried these? How has it helped? What is beneficial? Have you tried the big pillow? Give it a whirl. You will be amazed at how comfortable and nice that is. It's just, you may not tell your friends that you're sleeping on a dog pillow. That's a little weird. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. We're going to be coming out with more videos. If you have an ache and pain you'd like us to address, let us know and we'll be happy to make a video for you. Otherwise, we'll catch you at the next exercise.